Hey everyone, in this video I will show you Wealthbox CRM tutorial, how to use Wealthbox for financial advisors. So basically the first thing you should do here is type Wealthbox and then click the very first link that you can see here. As you can see, Modern CRM for financial advisors, tap this one. Okay, so this is Wealthbox. As you can see, these are the options and features, integration, solutions, pricing, resources. So if you have an account, just log in. And then if you don't have an account, then tap Get Started Free. So all you have to do here is tap this Get Started Free. But to see more information about Wealthbox before you proceed, so everything advisors need to connect with clients, prospects, and coworkers. Here you can see that inside Wealthbox. For example, contact management. So you can organize notes, emails, files, and financial information quickly and easily, just one click. In short, Wealthbox Mail, connect your mail to Wealthbox in a two-way sync for amazing productivity. Also, under opportunities, you can build and manage your pipeline by stage in a slick drag and drop interface. So no need to do a lot of things, just drag, just click, just highlight, something like that. Workflows, customize workflows and build templates for business process efficiency. Okay, so here you can see the activity streams, you can add tasks, you can see the activity schedules on your calendar, and you can also see annual reports. Okay, if you want to see all features, just tap this one right here to see all features inside Wealthbox. And actually, Wealthbox is a modern, intuitive customer relation management platform for financial advisors. It combines simplicity with powerful features to help advisors manage client relationships, streamline operations, and grow their businesses. So if you want to book a demo, just tap this Book a Demo right here for you to know more about this platform. But once you're okay with everything, once you understood everything, just click Get Started Free. And then what you're going to do here is you have to enter your work email and password. So add your work email here and password. So step 1 of 6, what you're going to do is add your first name, last name, and your firm's name. Once done, tap Continue. So what CRM are you currently using? So let's just say I don't use a CRM. So click this one right here and then tap Continue. Now, how many CRM users in your firm? So let's just say 1 to 2. And then tap Continue. So for support or support help, how can we contact you? You can add your phone number here, country, state, or territory, and then after that, tap Continue. So who is your custodian or broker dealer? Let's just say I don't have one. Tap Continue. Where did you hear about Wealthbox? Okay, you can skip this part right here and then tap Submit. So finish. Now it will head you directly to your Wealthbox dashboard. So you can take a tour or you can just skip this part right here and then proceed with your purpose why you create this one. So in order for you to use the function of this Wealthbox platform, you need to complete signing up by adding your profile photo, connect your email, invite team members, import contacts, enable tech integrations, and browse help center so that it would be easier for you to use any function or feature here. But most of the features here in Wealthbox, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Here in the home section, you see this update, contact. If you want to add a contact here, if you want to add a client or staff, you just have to simply tap this one. You need to enter their name, first name, middle, last, nickname, marital status, company, household, email address, phone number, tags, background information, and you can also simply add their work. Okay, and then after that, click Add Person. Task, if you want to add a task right here, you can also set the due date. For example, this task of tomorrow is tomorrow priority. Let's just say this was high. Category, let's just say follow up, or you can create a new category here. You can add description. You can also add event name, category, and so on, and opportunity. Okay. Now under email, you will see here all of the emails that you have added here on Wealthbox. So if you want to sync your inbox to send and receive emails in Wealthbox, what you're going to do is connect your email. Okay, now for contacts, you will see here all the contacts that you have added. This is just a sample. If you want to add another contact like client, staff, or whoever that is, all you have to do is to click this add contact right here. And like what I've mentioned earlier, you just need this following information for you to add a contact. Task. Okay, so you can see here all the tasks. Like you can also filter tasks here like upcoming and completed. So completed task, you will see all completed tasks. For upcoming, you will see all upcoming. You can also filter if it's workflow steps, task, and workflow steps, or just task. Assigned to specific person if you have added a contact right here, and category if it's phone, email, follow-up. So all you have to do is click add task right here. Okay, like what I've mentioned earlier, just enter information and it will be added here right away. Workflows, you will see workflows, and if you want to add template, just click this one and you can basically add a workflow right here. You can answer the following, add description, add step. Calendar, you will see all upcoming and completed activities here within this given one. Okay, you can also filter that by tapping this week. Okay, any task, any schedule for this week or for this day. Opportunities, basically you can see here all the opportunities, and other opportunities you will see here: evaluation, identify decision makers, qualification, needs analysis and review. You can also click add opportunity if you want to add opportunity. Okay, and add information here. Projects, you will see all projects here. If you want to add one, then tap this add project right here, add a project name, add the project description, and then click add project. Also, if you tap archive, if you want to archive a project, then just click archive and you will see all archive projects here. Files, if you want to add files, then basically just click attach file. You can attach from Dropbox, you can attach from Box, from Google Drive, or from your computer. Reports, you will see all the reports right here, like the open opportunities, project started this week, high priority task, everything. Okay, so including the task and events that once completed or upcoming, you will see it all right here. The contact reports, note reports, task reports, workflow reports, and so on. And dashboard, so basically if you want to, get this feature, you need to upgrade to Premiere. Like what I've mentioned earlier, not all features here are functional. You need to upgrade your plan. So basically, this is how easy it is to use this Wealthbox. All you have to do is to add information, and once you click that, for example, all information, all notifications from your email, if you connect your email here to your Wealthbox, you will see it right away. So whatever the activity of that specific contact, you will see it right away. Okay, and then you can also import some information, some context, and also you can export this to CSV. Okay, so that's basically it is. If you want to change something on your profile, just click this one. You can see here my activity, my to-dos, and if you want to update your profile, just tap this one. That's how easy it is to use Wealthbox for financial advisors. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.